Coaching motivation is the secret sauce that turns goals into reality. It's not just strategy or tactics, it's about igniting that inner spark in every client so they overcome obstacles and achieve their highest potential. Imagine a world where every person you coach wakes up energized, sets clear goals, and follows through with unwavering commitment. That's the power of a motivational coach. You guide clients to tap into their own drive, dismantle self-doubt, and build a mindset of resilience and optimism. A motivational coach wears many hats: empath, strategist, cheerleader, and accountability partner. You help clients define why they want change, break long-term dreams into bite-sized SMART goals, then track progress with regular check-ins. Every victory, no matter how small, is celebrated, reinforcing momentum and belief. At the core of coaching motivation are 5 pivotal functions. First, you clarify goals, using tools like SMART to ensure they're specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time-bound. Second, you confront mental barriers, fear, procrastination, or limiting beliefs, helping clients reframe challenges into opportunities for growth. Third, you build accountability systems, weekly reviews, digital trackers, or accountability partners. Fourth, you inspire through stories, examples, and genuine encouragement. And fifth, you facilitate self-reflection with journaling prompts or guided meditation, so clients gain insights into their own strengths and patterns. To excel in coaching motivation, you need a unique blend of skills. Empathy and active listening are non-negotiable. You must truly understand clients' emotions and unspoken fears. Powerful questioning and clear communication help them uncover their own solutions. Resilience and adaptability ensure you remain steady when clients face setbacks. And authenticity, being genuine in your approach, builds trust like nothing else. Formal training and certification elevate your credibility. Many coaches begin with degrees in psychology, human development, or communications. Then they pursue specialized programs accredited by ICF or EMCC, which teach frameworks and ethical standards. Ongoing professional development, through workshops, online courses, and peer supervision, keeps your methods fresh and effective. But theory alone isn't enough. To become a motivational coach, you need practical experience. Start by offering pro bono sessions or shadowing an established coach. Document success stories and collect testimonials to build your portfolio. Every breakthrough you facilitate becomes proof of your ability to unlock motivation in others. Building your practice requires more than coaching skills, you need business savvy. Define your niche within coaching motivation. Perhaps career transitions, personal empowerment, or stress resilience. Craft a brand message that speaks directly to your ideal client's deepest desires. Then, create content to blogs, videos, or social posts that showcases your insights on motivation and transformation. Optimize everything for the keyword coaching motivation so your website attracts organic traffic from people seeking to reignite their passion. Technology can supercharge your impact. Platforms like Together automate scheduling and session tracking. AI tools such as Crisp ensure crystal clear audio in virtual sessions. Use interactive features, digital whiteboards, breakout rooms, to keep clients engaged. And leverage data analytics to measure client progress, refine your methods, and demonstrate measurable ROI. Delivering group coaching or online courses lets you scale beyond one-on-one sessions. Imagine a 6-week motivation mastery program with live workshops, community forums, and accountability pods. You reach more people, deliver consistent content, and build recurring revenue, all while clients feed off each other's energy. Of course, challenges arise. Market saturation means you must differentiate with a clear niche and unique coaching methodology. Administrative tasks can eat into your coaching time, so automate billing and client reminders wherever possible. Imposter syndrome will whisper doubts, keep a victory journal and lean on peer supervision groups to stay resilient. Effective motivational coaching relies on proven techniques. The GROW model guides clients from goal to reality, through options, to willpower-backed actions. Motivational interviewing uses open-ended questions and reflective listening to unlock intrinsic motivation. Cognitive behavioral techniques help reframe negative thoughts into empowering beliefs. Visualization and daily affirmations reinforce a positive mindset. And structured action plans turn inspiration into real-world progress. As you help clients break free from procrastination, self-doubt, and resistance to change, you witness remarkable transformations. A stagnant employee finds career clarity, a stressed entrepreneur discovers renewed purpose, a hesitant student embraces a growth mindset. Those success stories become your greatest marketing assets. Use them in case studies, testimonials, and social proof to attract new clients. Finally, let's talk about the journey's rewards. Beyond financial gains, where top motivational coaches can command $200 to $500 plus per session, there's the profound satisfaction of empowering others to live their best lives. Every client who shatters a limitation or achieves a dream testimonial reports back to you that you've played a pivotal role in their success. That impact is the heart of coaching motivation. Ready to harness the power of coaching motivation and elevate your practice? Click the links in the description to register for our free hands-on workshop. You'll learn how to create a high-quality expert book with the Authority Book Factory system, designed specifically for coaches, freelancers, and experts craving credibility and high-ticket clients. And don't forget to grab the Authority Book Factory on Amazon KDP at a special discounted rate, your roadmap to writing a trust-building book in under 3 days. If you found these insights helpful, be sure to like this video, subscribe, and hit the bell so you never miss another strategy for building authority through coaching motivation. Let's ignite that inner drive together.